Strategy number 8, teach people to fish instead of giving them a fish. Why is this important? Because you set them up for greater success. If you take time to show someone how to do something instead of just doing it for them, then you set them up to do it on their own next time. This empowers them to be better, more capable users of software. This empowerment translates into confidence and joy while also building trust and strengthening community. So how do you make this happen? Take however much time is needed to show people how to do what they want to do. Don't just do it for them. This is easy to say, but hard to implement because we're all busy and we all want to move on with the work at hand. Here are some tips to make this happen. Taking notes, taking screenshots, or making screen recordings, because people forget what they've learned. So if you encourage them or show them how they can be doing these things, how they can capture what they've learned, they can refer back to their own notes, they can refer back to their screen recordings, and you've basically empowered them to own their own learning.
And just along those lines, a quick story. There was an individual, her name is Joanne. She worked at the Taft School, and she was the database administrator for many, many years. And through the course of her time, she accumulated a really, really robust set of kind of her personal documentation. So despite the fact that Taft had all these additional resources, some of which Tim is describing, this resource library, Joanne was doing very specific things. And oftentimes she would only do that thing once a year. So when she went to retire, she was able to say to the next person, hey, here's all of the things that I do, and here's how to do it. So not only does it empower that user and helps them do their job better, it also, you build in some contingency plans. If someone were to move on for whatever reason, you have a bit of a backstop.
Yeah, we like to say if someone won the lottery.
That's right. Yeah.
All right, so here's a review of strategy number 8. Teach people to fish instead of giving them a fish. The why is because showing people how to do something instead of doing it for them sets them up for success in the future. And the how is to take however much time is needed to show people how to do something.